Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 24. Okay, Jessica. Say this sound. Well done. Say the sound again and hold the sound. Excellent. Well done. This is the sound. Shh. Good. Say this sound. This sound, voice on or voice off?
Voice off.
Okay, so this sound? Good. And this sound? This sound, is it voice on or voice off?
Voice off.
Good. So this sound, voice off, and this sound, voice off. Well done. Right, now Jessica, I want you to say this sound again. This time, voice on. Again, go from this sound. This sound, voice off. Good. And now this same mouth, voice on. That's it. Voice off. Voice on. You try. Voice off. Voice on. Good. When you have voice on, can you feel your neck or your throat? Can you feel the voice here?
Yes, I can feel the voice is moving.
Good. You can feel the voice if you put your hand here. Yes?
Yes.
Good. Okay, Jessica. Say this sound again. Good. Where is your tongue when you say that sound?
My tongue is on my top of the teeth.
Good. Your tongue is at the top of your mouth, behind your top teeth. Good. Now say this sound. Good. Move from this sound to this sound. Again. Good. What do your lips do?
My lips become smaller.
Good. So this sound, your lips are more spread. And this sound, your lips are more forward. Shh. Good. Again, from this sound to this sound. Good. Well done. What about your tongue? What does your tongue do? Make the two sounds again. Slide from s to sh. What happens to your tongue? Does your tongue move back a little bit? Try again. Can you feel your tongue move back a little bit? Can your tongue move back? Can you feel your tongue moving back?
Yes, I can feel my tongue moving back.
Good, well done. What about this sound and this sound? What happens to your lips when you move from this sound to this sound?
My lips move forward when I sound zzz.
Well done. When you make this sound, your lips are wider. And then when you move to this sound, your lips move forward. What about your tongue?
My tongue is moved back when I sound zzz.
Good. So this sound, your tongue is closer to the back of your teeth, just behind the back of your teeth. Zzz. And your tongue moves back for this sound. Zzz. Zzz. Good. This is the zzz sound. Zzz. Voice on. Zzz. Good. So we've got this sound. Good. This sound. This sound. And this sound. Oh, lovely. Well done, Jessica.